What's up, guys? Welcome back to another edition of Roaming the 210. So before I get into this video today and explain what's going on, I need to start with a quick formal disclaimer. I'm putting this video out there strictly as an honest, documented customer review. In no way, shape, or form am I purposefully trying to go negative on a very well-known company called Puragain Water. You've all heard of it before, Puragain Water. They go by another name, I believe, but that's for a different topic. But anyways, they've basically been around for about 18 years in the hydration industry, specializing in water dispensers and filtration. They've got several offices located across the state of Texas, specifically Dallas, Houston, Austin, and of course right here in San Antonio. Now, that being said, with the situation at hand, I just need to let you know that they've got other offices across the U.S. Just Google Puragain and you can find it. They're located also in Florida, California, a couple other places too. But like I said, if you want to know where they're more specifically at as well, just go ahead and search up, just take a look for it. It's Puragain. Anyways, so to get back on topic, why am I making this video? Well, because as a homeowner, we know the risks of installing or getting installed a third-party piece of equipment, okay? So now, with that equipment, will it be covered under my homeowner's insurance policy? We all wonder that. Will it, if there's damage to the house, will they cover it? Will my homeowners cover the equipment if it breaks because it's under their policy, or is there a different policy after? There's a lot of questions that people always ask as homeowners. We always want to know, what's going to be affected and how much is this going to cost if it breaks down? And also, what type of warranty do they have if it causes damage to these things? Structural, cabinets, or, flooring. When a major appliance fails, like the one I'm dealing with right now through Puragain, how a corporate company handles it really does matter. Am I going to get the corporate runaround to fix the issue that I'm facing currently? Well, you decide. This is the reasons why I'm making this video, because I want people to understand and see what's going on. Or am I just jumping the gun on this? And it takes corporate a long time to deal with it. Because the situation I'm dealing with right now, folks, is I had a major leak with the water filtration system. It damaged the bottom of my cabinets, brand new cabinets. This house is only 2 years old and it damaged it. So now I have to deal with the possibility of mold being into the wood, and also the warped wood, which of course, with cabinets these days and the way it's built, we all know is real cheap. So that's one of the major factors that we have to figure out, and I have to figure out as a homeowner. Now, that being said, we all know that this is not an easy job. It's also a nightmare, as you will probably see. But again, you decide. Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. Am I rushing it to judgment, or am I just being right and fair on how Puragain is really handling the situation? Because from where I'm standing, they're taking too long, and too much time on trying to get this thing done. So join me on this little adventure and see for yourself what it's like. And then, of course, leave your comments below. Make it positive. I don't need negative. Nobody wants negative comments, but of course, try to make it as positive as possible. As bloggers, we appreciate the opinions, but a positive opinion or more of a suggestion. But let me know. And as always, click that like and subscribe button and help my algorithm out. Thank you, and let's go ahead and take that journey. Is that gonna?
Oh, that's all free.
Oh, it's all free?
Yeah. You're not making any cost to that.
What I found there was a crack on that piece right there that was connecting to the RO faucet.
Yeah.
So it was causing water to go underneath the sink. Apparently that's what caused the damage. So.
Is it because they screwed it on too tight and you
Yeah,
cracked
exactly.
it?
Yeah, because it has this washer in here, and you can't tighten it with that washer in there. You have to just snug it, and then that's it.
Right.
Yeah, if you do that extra turn or try to, it won't work. Yeah, that washer each time, it'll do just that. Each time.
Maybe you guys should make note of that for your installers out there. Stop tightening so tight.
Yeah, like just with your hand, and then that's it.
Yeah, just a hand tighten.
Yeah, like I just need your signature.
Sure.
I was telling all my guys, like when you're dealing with everything on this RO, like I hand tighten everything on here. The only thing I don't hand tighten is the valve adapter for the cold water line.
Sure.
That's the only thing I don't hand tighten. Everything else is hand tightened, snugged. That's it. Because this doesn't have as much pressure as like that whole helmet system.
Right.
This isn't that much pressure. You don't need to do all that. All right. So I'm going to head to my office right now. I'm going to get you set up to where we're going to come out. We have a contractor that comes and pops this up, does that cleaning for us, takes care of that. Then also I got to get you on schedule to get your filters changed. Because I'm going to go ahead and just get you basically a brand new RO set.
Okay.
Yeah, just brand new filters, brand new everything. Go ahead and get that in motion for you. And I think this tank is fine. Maybe it was just a leak up there, but we have extra tanks, so I can just put in I can go ahead and just give you a brand new tank as well too. So that way when we come in, get everything replaced and get these filters changed, practically a brand new system.
Okay.
You know, practically brand
Or at
new.
least
The first step is that we're going to come out. I already got pictures of everything.
Okay.
I'm going to send it over to my contractor who does all the damage assessment, and then they'll give me a little quote. We always accept it, and then they'll come out here, do their measurements, and then schedule a day with you to just come out and swap this out. Once they do that, in the meantime, at one point, it doesn't matter. We can come in and change all these filters out for you, so that's not a problem.
Okay.
Yeah, we can come and do that whenever, before or after what they have to do.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
fine.
So I'll give you a follow call in the morning. That way, I'll
Okay.
just get that scheduled and see what that's good for you.
I'll be on the lookout.
My man,
All right,
John, I
sir.
appreciate it.
You have a good one.
You too, you too. Yeah, I went to the Trinity. That was my alumni high school, but my nephew, he wanted to go to Bell, and I was like, hey,
Yeah.
I